Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you create avatar on your Duolingo on your app. So all you have to do is to just go down here, you click here on this sign down here, then it's going to take you here to your profile. Then all you have to do now is to just go up, you click here on this sign here up, then it's going to take you to your settings here, and you click here on change avatar, and it's going to take you here to create your avatar here. So all you have to do now here, you can choose body if you want it big or small here, and here you click here, and here you can choose color you want to add for your skin here. So and here you click here, and it's going to take you in this window here, and here if you want to choose your experience expression here, so face, or if face you want to choose here, and here you can click here, and here you can choose here or hairstyle here, and here main hair color here. So and here can you click in the glasses, and here you can choose glasses color. Here you can choose glasses if you want to add glasses in your avatar. So and just click here if you want to choose mustache here or facial here. So then you click here if you want to choose clothes color, like here, and can you choose clothing color here, and here you click, and here you can choose so background. And like you see now, that's all. And when you're down, you go up, you click here on down, and it's going to add video. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.